So in this video, we'll be looking at how we're going to set up Google Analytics and also set up Google Search Console for for a website for a client actually. So if you are into blogging, or maybe you're having a website for personal as portfolio website or something like that, you want to set up Google Analytics and Google Search Console. So the Google Search Console will help your website to be indexed on the Google Search platform. So that people that are searching through Google can easily see your website, and then Google Analytics will help you track what is actually happening on your website. So if you look at here, it said that connect Google Analytics as part of your setup. Activate Google Analytics to track how much traffic you are getting and how people navigate your website. So the Google Analytics helps you to see where your visitors are coming from, the type of traffic that you are getting, if it's a robot-based traffic or human traffic, and how long people are staying on a particular page of your website or something like that, or your landing page. So depending on the kind of website that you're having. So the most popular content for a blog, so it will be showing here actually. So actually, it is very very important for you to put up site kits for to track all of this, because this is built by the Google, and it's an official plugin that's being used, that's been recommended by Google, right? Instead of using all those other plugins that we're having. Actually, they are good ones like All-in-One SEO. We have Rank Math and the rest of them. So, but in this video, we'll be talking about how you can set up site kits for your website, right? So if you don't have site kits on your website, you just have to go to the plugin aspect. So if I come to install plugins now, you are going to see that site kit is already there. So the name of the plugin is site kit. So look at site kit by Google. So if you don't have it, you can come to where you see, if you hover over the plugins, you are going to see add new, right? Or you can come here and then add new plugin, right? So I click on here, this add new plugin. You can search on the WordPress repository, and we just search for site kits, right? And I hit even before you hit enter, you're going to see it. So the first plugin will be the site kit plugin. So you can see for me, I've already installed it, and you can see that the site kit plugin is already having over 4 million active installs. So right, so for this video now, let's go to how we can set up the site kit plugin. So the moment you've installed and activated the Google Site Kit plugin, you're going to see you are going to see it showing here by the side navigation. So you're going to see site kit here. So I will navigate to the dashboard. So from there, we'll start setting up Google Search Console and Google Analytics for this website, right? So you can see the moment you want to set it up, you check on this connect Google Analytics as part of your setup. So we'll check this, and of course, I want to receive other ways of improving the data for this website. So I'll need help from Google. So I'm going to check this also, and then sign in with Google, right? So it's an easy way to set up Google Analytics and Google Search Console for your website, right? So you log in with the email address that you are supposed to use for the project actually. So if you are working for a client, you might want to help the client track that. So you have to ask for the consent client, right? So which is very important. So for this, I'm going to use this email address here, and I'm going to sign in. I'm going to click on continue. Okay, so yes, so you can see site kit already has some access. So okay, I actually started setting it up, but I felt okay, why not create a video about this for you guys to watch and then understand how to set up Google Site Kit. So the moment you see, if yours is not showing like this, for in my own case, I've already started before now. So, but I'm going to click on continue. So the moment you see something like this, make sure you give it access to all of those services, right? You select all. It's going to show at the top here, select all, just select all, and then you continue. So for this, I'm going to click on continue. And so yes, so you can see you are already verified, right? So this is the name of the website, Daily Photography. So it's a photography website, a client in the UK. So I'm going to click on next here. So you can see turn on metrics in your dashboard. I'm going to allow so that we can see the metrics, what is going on from the back end, right? So I'm going to click allow, and you can see set up search console. So search console is very important because it helps you submit your sitemap and other important data, right? So that your site could get indexed. So this is what helps you for your site to get indexed. So the analytics helps you to track what is going on, the data that is going on. You see the traffic, what type of traffic, where it's coming from, and the rest. So I'm going to click on setup here and wait for that to load. So you can see set up Google Analytics, which is very important also. You click on next. So you can see to understand how visitors find and use your site, right? So you know where the traffic is coming from. It's coming from Instagram, from Facebook, any external traffic that you're getting. You're going to see all of that the Google Analytics. So you can see here, right? So account daily photography, property dailyphotography.co.uk. So web data stream is still the same thing, and you can see the client is from UK, right? So you can see the country, and then the time zone is in UK time zone, right? So and you have to enable enhanced measurement, right? So this allows you to measure interactions with your content, e.g. file downloads or video views and the rest of them. So this is kind of an important feature, right? It helps you to track, maybe if you are doing anything regarding running adverts and you've installed Pixel or something like that. So this helps you to track also, and then you can do API conversion, right, through Google Ads or Facebook ads, right? So but we're not getting into that for now. We're just going to set up Google Analytics and then Google Search Console. So I'll click on create account, and okay, we'll wait for that to load. So we're still going to use this email address here. Okay, so click on continue, and okay, so access has been given. So we'll click on continue also. Okay, so yes, so we're almost done with the setup. So it's a very simple step-by-step process, right? So we'll allow this to load so you see what is going on behind the scene here. Okay, it's almost done. Connect service. Yep, so we are going to Google Analytics official page. So you can see it's showing analytics.google.com, right? So an error like this can happen. So it's just showing that account token is missing, right? So this is basically, I think it's my network or something. So I'm going to reload. So as I'm finding it difficult to sign up here to go and see what's happening at the back end, so I'm going to go through the Google Analytics here, right? So I'm going to go through Google Analytics. So I'll click here and then click on this, and then I'm going to click on sign into analytics. So we're going to go through this, and then we'll click on start measuring here, right? We'll click on start measuring so that we can now create an account here, right? So basically we're going to click check here, and then I'm going to give this account a name, which is Eve Editor, or I'm going to name it Daily Photography for this project. Now I'm going to click on next. Right, so I'm going to click on next. So you're asking here for business details. So industry, we'll select one, which is art. Photography niche is under art and entertainment. So I'm going to click on this and then select this. So I'm going to click on next, and okay, so actually what do we want to do here? Choose your business objectives, generate leads, drive online sales, because we're looking at doing some e-commerce in the future. So examine user behavior, right? So which is very important. User behavior, raise brand awareness. So I'm going to click on next here. So all of these things can still be changed, like in dashboard after you've created your account. So but basically we want to have access to our report, right? So I'm going to click on I accept here, and we're going to scroll down and accept the second terms and condition. So you can see this is already up now, and then I'm going to click on I accept. So we are going to have access to the back. So account and the data property has been created. So data collection choose a platform. Maybe you can use a web, but we can skip for now. So I'm going to skip this for now, and see, you are nearly there. So let's see what we have. So to start measuring who visits your website and app, you need to set up data collection, right? So your report will focus on how your business examines user behavior, raise brand awareness, drive online sales, and generate leads. So but basically, we'll be generating more of leads and then driving online sales. So the remaining can be anything in the future, right? So, but okay, so we are going to click on continue to home, right? So that we can set up this data collection later on, right? So I'm going to click on continue to home so that we can see how it's looking, right? So this is the home. So it's going to load the analytics data for us here. So we are going to connect our website to Google Analytics, right? So that we can see what type of data that we are going to be tracking our data for the website. Okay, so this is not so important, has been renamed by key events. Okay, so this is just a new update, and let's see what we have. Okay, key events and conversion. So this you can check this later on, right? So okay, I'm going to open, I'm going to click on got it, and for my suggestions, and then just check this and click on save. Okay, so this is the home of Google Analytics. So what you need to do if you want to start tracking data for your website or a mobile application, or if it's Android or iOS, you can now connect all of those things here so that you can collect your data. So but we are doing this for a website. So I'm going to click on web. Okay, so you are going to add up your website here, which is very, very important. So we'll add daily photography here, daily photography.co.uk, and yes, okay, so stream name is daily photography. So basically this is how to set that up. So we're going to create a stream. So if your website is not HTTPS enabled, you can select this, but for this website it is HTTPS enabled, right? So I'm going to click on this, and then if you want to measure other parts, maybe other metrics, so you can check out other metrics that is here, but this can still be done in your dashboard, right? So I'm going to create this stream for now. So this is for the web, so you can see this is for daily photography, and you can see now we've connected this. So you can see this data that is at the top here is telling you that data collection isn't active for your website. If you installed tags more than 48 hours ago, make sure that they are set up correctly. So now to set up this, we need to copy this tag, right? So you can see manually install or install with a website builder or a CMS, right? So but for this website we are using Hostinger, right? We've already hosted this website using WordPress, right? So it is very easy to do this. You can easily do this in two ways, right? You can take this from this particular part of you can take this tag, right, this short script here, and then add it to the head tag of your website, or you can install it using a CMS, right? You can install it using a CMS, so which is one of the easiest way. And also this is easy, right? Using a plugin you can do this. It is very, very easy. So it is as simple as this. So basically, let's see what I added here. I think I made a mistake here for the website URL, and I'm going to edit. So in case if you made a mistake, you can see it is dailyphotography.co.uk instead of UM. So I can edit this and edit this website instead of this, and then update stream. Right after doing this, you can copy this measurement ID and then use it somewhere else. But now we want to add up this website to connect the Google site, Google Analytics to our website. So which is very, very easy to do, right? So we can now go through the instructions here and go through the instructions by copying the code here, right? You can copy the code, or you can use um, WordPress to install. So we are going to use WordPress, right? And you can also use what's it called? You can use a plugin to actually add that. So we're going to use SiteKit plugin, right? So you can see so many plugins that has been listed here. You can see BigCommerce, Drupal, Duda, GoDaddy, Monster Insight plugin, which is also good. But we are going to use SiteKit, which is already installed on the website, right? So we're going to use SiteKit plugin. So you see, copy your tag ID. So this is the tag ID that we're going to use. So you can see, set up your Google tag on WordPress with SiteKit. So you can see if you have a tag ID starting with G, right? So which is this, follow the instructions below to integrate your account with Google Ad and Google Analytics, right? So below you begin, right? So you log into you can see these are instructions basically showing you how you can do that. That's easy. So you can see this is installing the plugin and then coming to the plugin to activate the plugin. After that, you can sign in with Google, and when you've signed in, you can now give access to Google Analytics and other parts, right? So you can see how all this is done, right? So which is very, very easy to do, right? So now we are going to now connect this by copying this tag, right? This tag ID, and then going back to the plugin. So let me go to the admin so that we can add this up. So here on our dashboard, we are going to come to SiteKit. So after letting the page to load properly, so we're going to go to SiteKit. Let's go to settings. So you can see analytics is here and search console is already connected. So now Google Analytics, I want to set this up. So let's see how we can connect this. Okay, so we need to set this up first and then we'll continue. So but remember, we've already copied the tag from the Google Analytics page, right? So let's add that up here. So let's go through the process. So when you're done with the process, you're going to see this will show that SiteKit, Google SiteKit, right? So your analytic account was created successfully. So we are going to go to the dashboard, right? So click and go to the dashboard and we'll connect daily photography to Google Google Analytics. So every data will be showing here for the site's traffic. So the moment your page loads, right, you can see that it's sending a congratulations message, right? It's telling that congrats on completing the setup for analytics. So connect more services to see more statistics, right? So you can see this is for traffic, this is for your content, and then the speed of your website and monetization, right? So monetization are for content, content marketing or so depending on what you are doing. So you can set up conversion. So if you have maybe created a landing page and connected it to your hosting and you want to track conversions, maybe you are selling something or something like that, so you can set up conversion and then check your unique visitors, total clicks, and then your total impression coming from your ads or through SEO content. So all of this, you see top content over the last 28 days can also be seen here. You can see, find out how much you are earning from your content. So you can earn money through content marketing and publishing content on your blog section of your website, and you can monetize that and then start making money also through another stream of revenue, right? So okay, so but that is not what we are going to check for now. So now this also shows you how to improve visitors experience. That's the UX of your website on mobile and also on desktop, right? So needs improvements, anything that needs improvements will be to show you so that you can check that. So Google added their page speed tester for you to see, right? So you can check what is there and then you make improvements. And so basically this is how to set up Google Analytics, Google Search Console for your website, right? So if you have done this, your website is going to be indexed, right? Your website is going to be indexed on the Google search results page, search result page, right? And then people can easily search you through search for your business or your website through keywords, right? So basically, this is how it's done, and I'll see you guys in the next video. So if you want to learn more about anything regarding um, content marketing, digital marketing, and the rest of them, so you can simply leave a comment in the comment section, so that if I see that you are interested in any content regarding website design, digital marketing, or content marketing, I can do well to create content around that for you guys. So I'll be seeing you in our upcoming videos.